Hello, welcome back for lesson number 50. I put a title called tapping. Today we're going to tap the balance 2 hole on this part. I have partnered with Dream Technology System to produce this video. I hope everybody can learn something out of it. As usual, we need to open the previous lesson file and continue what we're going to learn today. This is the result on the previous lesson. We have successfully created 2 countersink. Today we continue with tapping. So we go for drill, tap, use back the 2 holes that we created. OK. Load the tool shape, select tap, and then it's M8 times 1 mm tap. OK. Update the tool number, click OK. We go for edit the parameters, right mouse click. Sometimes it will pop up by this way, or maybe you just go into the update modes by itself. Set the frame, G54. Update the RPM. Yes, you can see the feed rate is set by itself because we are doing tapping. Change the color. Calculate. Looks good. Let us verify. Set the frame G54. You can see the Z is minus Z 10.4, which is correct. Click OK. Let us click OK again and perform a solid verify. Looks good. Let us do an analysis. Yes, you can see the color changing. Yeah, because the hole is drilled at diameter 7 and the tap is diameter 8. Save the file. Let me switch the screen to show you step by step how to complete the task. Hello, welcome back. Let me show you step by step how to complete the task. First, we double click the previous operation, collapse it. Let's go for tapping. Select hole number 4. We created. OK. Load tool shape. Go for tap. M8 times 1. OK. Set the tool number, 12. OK. Calculate, no. Set the frame, G54. RPM, 125. Change the color, this one. Let us calculate. Looks good. Verify. Set the frame, G54. Yes, we can go step by step. Z minus 10.4, which is correct. OK. OK again. Let us go into the solid verify. Reduce speed. Play. Options, analysis, visual. You can zoom in. You can see the tap hole is done correctly with the depth, as well as this one. OK, close. We save the file. Thank you for watching. We will do improvement on the next lesson. Bye bye.